Today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna learn about my bones. There are 206 bones in the adult human skeleton. The skeleton is about the living tissue that has many roles in the body. Like the human skeleton is divided into two groups. We have the axial skeleton and also the perpendicular. The axial skeleton has the skull, the vertebral column, and the axis. And then we have the bones of arms and legs, together with the bones of the pelvis. Those are many bones that are part of the perpendicular skeleton. Because maybe my bones gonna be the ones that takes me. And after all, they're my body's support. The world of the joints is a place where the bones meet. The joints permit the bones to move without damaging the other bones. Joints contain connective tissue, the whole of the bones, all together. Depending on the type of movement, the joint can be classified as movable, and it can also be classified as slightly movable or freely movable. I said maybe my bone can maybe be the one that saves me. And after all, they're my body's support. I said maybe my bones can be the one that saves me. And after all, they're my body's support.
I'm going to talk about the skeleton system. The structure of the skeleton. There are 206 bones in the adult human skeleton. The axis skeleton supports the central axis of the body. The bones of the arms and legs, along with the bones of the pelvis and our shoulder area, form the appendicular skeleton. Function of the skeleton system. The skeleton supports the body, protects internal organs, assists movement, stores minerals, and is a site of blood cell formation. Here you can see a picture of the skeleton system: the skull, the clavicle, scapula, sternum, ribs, numerous, ulna, radius, pelvis, carpa, femur, patella, tibia, and fibula.
I'm gonna talk about the bones. What is the structure of a typical human bone? Bones are a solid network of living cells and protein fibers that are surrounded by deposits of calcium salts. Here we have a bone, and here we have the osteocyte, the periosteum, the blood vessels, the compact bone, the spongy bone. Here are the Harvesian canals. These canals contain blood vessels and nerves. Osteoclasts and osteoblasts line the canals. Here we have the periosteum, and here we have the compact bone. Dense compact bone found under the periosteum contains networks of tubes through which blood vessels and nerves travel. Here we have the yellow bone marrow, and here we have the spongy bone, that is the tiny structures of spongy bone are arranged in such a way that they can support a lot of force. Red bone marrow is found in the spaces of a spongy bone. And here we have the growth plate. The growth plates contain dividing cartilage cells that increase the size of a bone until a person reaches his or her adult height.
Support. The bones of the skeleton support and give shape to the human body. Protection. Bones protect the delicate internal organs of the body. For example, the ribs form a basket-like cage around the heart and lungs. Movement. Bones provide a system of levers on which muscles act to produce movement. Mineral storage. Bones contain reserves of minerals including calcium that are important to many body processes. When blood calcium levels are low, some reserves are released from bones. Blood cell formation. Many types of blood cells are produced in soft tissue that fills the internal cavities of some bones.
The joint capsule consists of two layers. The outer layer forms strips of tough connective tissue called ligaments. Ligaments, which hold bones together in a joint, are attached to the membrane that surrounds bones. The inner layer of the joint capsule, called the synovial cavity, contains cells that produce a substance called synovial fluid. Synovial fluid enables the surface of the bones connected at a joint to slide over each other smoothly.